Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to install uBlock Origin on Google Chrome. Start by searching download uBlock on the Chrome and log in the first link. Go to uBlock Origin Light Manifest v3 and click it. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. As you can see, the extension is being downloaded. After the download finishes, it will automatically add to your extension, or you can just go here and manually pin or unpin it. And that's it. Your Chrome browser is now protected from ads, pop UPS, and trackers using uBlock Origin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.